Plastic-coated metal conduit is not explicitly listed in the National Electrical Code, or NEC, because it generally fails to meet the stringent requirements set for recognized raceway types. These requirements are primarily concerned with ensuring safety and reliability in electrical installations. Firstly, the National Electrical Code mandates that all raceways must exhibit adequate corrosion protection or be suitably protected against corrosion. The issue with plastic coating on metal conduit is that it often does not provide sufficient long-term corrosion resistance, particularly in demanding environments such as industrial settings or outdoor applications where exposure to moisture, chemicals, and temperature variations is common. Over time, the plastic can degrade, crack, or become compromised, allowing corrosive agents to reach the metal beneath. This can lead to rust and deterioration, ultimately weakening the conduit and potentially creating electrical hazards. Secondly, electrical conductivity is another crucial consideration. The National Electrical Code requires raceways to maintain consistent electrical continuity to ensure proper grounding and bonding. This is essential for providing a safe path for fault currents to flow back to the source, thereby tripping circuit breakers or ground fault circuit interrupters and preventing electrical shock hazards. Plastic coatings, being non-conductive, can interfere with this electrical continuity. If the coating is too thick or applied improperly, it can impede the flow of current between sections of the conduit or between the conduit and connected equipment. This can compromise the effectiveness of the grounding system, increasing the risk of electrical shock or fire. Thirdly, fire resistance is a critical factor in the selection of electrical materials and raceways. The National Electrical Code requires raceways to be either fire resistant or protected from fire to minimize the spread of fire in the event of an electrical fault or other fire-related incident. Plastic coatings, being combustible materials, are not inherently fire resistant and can actually contribute to the spread of fire. When exposed to high temperatures or flames, plastic can melt, drip, and release flammable gases, accelerating the growth of the fire and increasing the risk of property damage and personal injury. Given these concerns, the National Electrical Code favors raceway types that have been specifically designed and tested to meet stringent performance standards for corrosion resistance, electrical conductivity, and fire resistance. As an alternative to plastic-coated metal conduit, the NEC recognizes several types of raceways that are commonly used in electrical installations. Rigid metal conduit, or RMC, is a heavy-walled, threaded conduit typically made of steel or aluminum. It offers excellent mechanical protection and corrosion resistance, making it suitable for use in harsh environments and outdoor applications. RMC provides a reliable path for grounding and bonding and can withstand high temperatures without significant degradation. Electrical metallic tubing, or IMT, is a thin-walled and threaded conduit typically made of steel or aluminum. It is lighter and more flexible than RMC, making it easier to install and route in tight spaces. EMT is commonly used in indoor applications where mechanical protection requirements are less stringent. While EMT offers good corrosion resistance, it may not be suitable for use in highly corrosive environments without additional protection. Non-metallic sheet cable, or NMB, is a type of electrical cable consisting of two or more insulated conductors enclosed within a non-metallic jacket. NMB cable is commonly used for residential wiring and other indoor applications where exposure to physical damage is minimal. While NMB cable is not a raceway in the traditional sense, it provides a convenient and cost-effective wiring solution for many applications. In summary, the absence of plastic-coated metal conduit from the National Electrical Code is primarily due to concerns about corrosion protection, electrical conductivity, and fire resistance. The NEC favors raceway types that have been specifically designed and tested to meet stringent performance standards for these critical characteristics. Alternatives such as RMC, EMT, and NMB cable offer reliable and code-compliant wiring solutions for a wide range of electrical applications. When selecting a raceway type for a particular installation, it is important to carefully consider the environmental conditions, mechanical protection requirements, and electrical safety considerations to ensure compliance with the National Electrical Code and best practices.